to share with you. Who know about the all-time days roti? What we make on this stove from home. You don't have to go into the supermarket to buy it. And that's what I'm going to show you, how to make your roti. And I'm going to cook it down with some nice sweet Jamaican curry chicken. So I have 2 pounds of chicken, and I use the chicken breast to have less bone. And I have 4 cups of flour I'm going to use to make the roti. And all of the ingredients I've used inside of it, I'm going to put it in the description for you to know. So the first thing I'm going to do before I make the roti, I'm going to season the chicken. And remember to wash your chicken with vinegar or lemon. I'm going to mix all of the ingredients that I put on the meat very well. I'm going to make sure the meat take all of it. And this seems like it want more curry. So I'm going to put in about 2 more teaspoons of curry inside of it. Guys, I will put in a description what I put in there. If you ever smell some of the season what I put in this chicken, I'm going to put it away and to make it stay there and soak for a while, and then I go and start to make my roti. So I'm going to get a piece of file paper on it. So a small amount of water, what you get. I'm going to mix it out until all the grain mix right out. So all of the sugar mixed out, so I'm going to pour it inside of it. Guys, this is all time is making roti, you know. You don't want this roti to be finished. I'm going to get in this salt inside of it. A small amount of cooking oil. Make sure your hand is clean, so I'm going to mix all of the ingredients that I put inside of it before I get in the water inside of it. My baking powder inside of it. I'm going to start to mix again. So each time I'm going to get in a small amount of water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it into file paper because I don't want to make my roti and put it down to be cold. So I'm going to do the chicken first. And when you come out now, you have to serve the chicken and the roti. Everything just warm and nice. So I'm going to put it into a piece of file paper. And to put it away till I finish cook the curry. So it's time for me to cook the curry. I'm going to get in a small amount of oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of curry. And I'm going to burn it for a little while. Right, burn for a little while. It's time to get in the curry inside. I'm going to stir. I'm going to make it stay there and steam for a little while before I put in any water on it. I do not like curry to cook with a lot of water. I love when it steam its own water. But I'm going to put a small amount. But I'm going to allow it to steam and get some water inside of it by itself before I put water. You see it steam its own. Look at water there. So I'm going to get in some water on it. I'm going to get in the water in the same dish that I'm seasoning meat into. You put in 2 different peppers to get flavor from it. I'm going to put a small amount of ginger juice inside of it. Very small amount. I'm going to get in my thyme and my pimento seed. I'm going to close it, make it stay there and cook. So we're going to look what's going on with our curry chicken. So guys, about 3 more minutes and you can remove the flame. It's time to go and do the roti now. It's time to make our roti. You have to get some flour and here. The place is going to look a bit messy, but so you go. That's it, guys. The fried pepper keep it nice. It's so nice and nice. I love to use the file paper a long way to break it off. I'm going to break it. So guys, you see it, look. It's very nice. This is my own made roti. Old time days, you know, guys, and grandmother used to make roti and show how to make roti. What nice when you use it with the meat. Sometimes my grandmother used to use fish with it. So guys, the best thing to bake your roti into is a Dutch pot. Very nice to use because it's more thicker and harder to be burned. So we're going to get in the roti inside of it.